This reader question is sponsored by AutoValue. Visit us online for more information.
Andrew Markel, Breaking Front End Magazine, and today we have a reader question from Ron out in California. He says, what's your number one tip to preventing brake noise? Well, my number one tip is cleanliness of the rotor and brake pad so everything beds in properly. If you really look at the two things, you have a brake rotor and a brake pad. These things must be clean so they can bed in together. So Ron, if your shop is installing a new rotor or even a freshly machined rotor, it is critical that the friction surfaces are perfectly clean. Simple accidents such as fingerprints, or let's say even like some of the grease for the caliper guide pins makes its way onto the rotor, or even some of the moly lubricants make it on, those can contaminate the brand new rotor and the surfaces. This can cause a couple different issues. First of all, this area all of a sudden has a different coefficient of friction than this area over here. This can cause some of the cyclical noises that the customer may notice at low speeds. It's a harmonic issue. Another issue that it could cause is that all of a sudden this brake pad can no longer throw down an effective transfer layer on certain areas of the rotor due to the contamination. And even the pad itself can become contaminated if there's enough on the rotor. The solution? Well, you got to clean the rotor before it's installed on the vehicle and make sure it stays clean. So use some brake cleaner and clean the rotor. So Ron, there's your noise right there. I'm Andrew Markel with Breaking Front End. Thank you very much.